Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. Got a 1989 CR500R. Picked it up yesterday at a swap meet, just putting it away this morning. 1989. Everything's there, everything works. Pro circuit platinum exhaust. The sun's really bright this morning. You can see everything's tight and snug and clicks well. The linkage, the Kickstarter, it's all a pretty decent bike yet, but the plastics are really goofed up. Not sure what they recovered this with. It looks like a boat seat the way it's got the sparkles on it and everything. 780 bars. Forks work okay. Rear tire seems pretty decent on it yet. Front tire is really weather checked bad and is going to need to be tossed, but brakes are all good. I was told that the motor was recently gone through, re-ringed. It really does make strong power, and it has incredible compression. And the carb was recently gone through, and it did idle well, run well. You can see that the carb's been apart. If you need anything off this bike or other bikes, get a hold of us below, or get a hold of us on our eBay site, Recycled and Saved eBay store, or you can get a hold of me by texting me, 715-370-6671. Thanks a lot, and hope to help you get your bike running.